boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? I come before you guys today with Bloves sauce, prawns, sausages, and cucumbers. So y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all up because we got some talking to do today. Alright, without further ado, let's snack. Let me just go ahead. Oh, and I got some rice. I forgot I had some rice. Let's dip this in the Bloves sauce. Something dripping down. Something dripping down. Oh, I lost my prawn. I should have added more butter to this because it's a sauce now. Like you don't even see the butter sauce no more. The butter floating at the top. You don't see that no more. This is one of the smaller ones. These prawns, because I know somebody gonna ask, came from Great Alaska Seafood. That's good. I need to put me a what you call it. No, that's good. Y'all, I'm telling you that lemon is good. But I ain't gonna lie, it's something about that lime. That lime hit a little different. I don't know what it is. Yeah, this is my little ready-made my ready-made rice. My ready-made jasmine rice. That's good. All right, y'all, so let's get into this topic. Oh my god, it came right out the freaking tail and splashed everywhere. I'm sorry, y'all. So, got my water. Pause for the water calls. Monetization, y'all. My very first YouTube check I got on August 21st. YouTube payout date is August 21st. And I was approved because you go through a review process. For you guys who don't know, you don't just automatically start making money. You have to be approved to go inside the YouTube partnership program. So let me put some of this on here. I got approved on July 17th. I met my threshold with my hours and everything on July 11th, I think. July 11th, I met everything. My 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hours. So it took me 6 months, y'all, to get there. Okay. July 17th, they told me you've been approved to come into the YouTube partnership program, right? All right, bet. They sent me my pen, but I didn't know that they was sending my pen. I just know that I went to my YouTube studio. Oh, I got 6,900 subscribers now. Hey, 6,900 snackies. What's poppin'? Get YouTube studio beta, and when I very first set up my YouTube channel, y'all, I did everything that I was eligible to do. So when you go into your settings and you click settings and YouTube beta, and then you go to other settings, once it go there and then go to advanced channel settings, it brings up everything. It's supposed to anyways. You also have your AdSense on that same page. Go ahead and set up your AdSense account. YouTube isn't going to review anything on it until you meet your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. However, I think that I got mine literally within what's that, 5 days? 6 days? 6 days. My approval within 6 days, because one, prior to me getting monetized, I didn't do anything illegal. I ain't have like a lot of music in there. One video did have music in it, but it was music that they had already emailed me about prior to me even getting monetized. So I already knew that video was, once I get monetized, I wasn't gonna make any money on that video, right? But I set up my AdSense account. I've been talking, I ain't eat. I feel bad, y'all. I feel so bad. Let me eat, y'all. That's a good little size. Let me eat. So pause for the water calls, y'all. Around July 11th, I met my threshold to be monetized, okay? July 17th, I got my email from YouTube saying that I was accepted into the YouTube partnership program. Roughly a month later, around August 19th, 20th, around August 18th, 19th, I got my pen, my Google pen, to enter into my AdSense account to verify my banking information and also to input my personal data. Okay, from that point, oh, y'all, look at that. From that point, y'all, I was able to finalize the verification process that they sent money to my account once I get in my account information. As a test, you guys know, as a test to make sure it was my account. When it's in my AdSense account, put the amounts in there that they had deposited in there and took out. Alright, bam. I did that on August 21st. And that same day, they sent me my money. I don't know if it was because I had already started the process as far as putting in my information and them, you know, sending the stuff to my bank. They knew that I was going to be eligible for my money. But I got it on the same day, even though I verified on the same day. Now, this video kind of all over the place, just kind of choppy here and there. I'm gonna have to edit it a lot, but because I've been talking and not eating. This is a mukbang, okay? But the key thing that you guys need to take away is that I already had my AdSense account set up prior to me meeting any type of YouTube monetization thresholds. So from the time that I actually set up my YouTube channel, December 15th, no, December 9th, 2018, I set up my AdSense account that same time. That's the key takeaway. Now, if you want to know how much I made on my first YouTube paycheck, I told y'all I would tell y'all. That sounded mad country. I told you guys I would tell you. So here we go. Transparent. Oh, I hope y'all ain't hit it. Excuse me. I'm so sorry, y'all. My paycheck they don't tell you on here. They'll tell you that they sent the money to you. Anyways, my paycheck was $172, y'all. Why was that so hard for me to say? Dang. My first paycheck from YouTube, August 21st, was $172. You have to at least make $100 in order to get a payout from YouTube. $100. Let me try this. Let me tell you how I feel it is. Ooh, that was too much. It definitely got a strong vinegar taste. Woo! So with all my rambling, y'all, what I want you guys to take away from this video is prepare yourself. Have everything set up. If this is what you want to do, have everything set up prior to them letting you know that you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. Okay? Y'all saw that juice skirt? Y'all ain't see it? That's the takeaway, okay? When you go to monetization in the YouTube, on the YouTube beta, on the side, left hand side, you will see it say monetization. When you click on that link, it's gonna scroll. If you scroll down, you will see where you can go to AdSense setting. Right? And you could create your account from there. Okay. My camera about to go off, so I'm gonna have to restart it, y'all. So that was my takeaway, guys. Have everything already filled out. Oh. Well, I'll clean that up. It fell on the floor. Beauty ain't here. She with her daddy. They clean and jerk chicken and stuff for tomorrow. Well, did I give y'all a bite? No, I just been running my mouth. Girl, bye. Let me get this up for y'all. Let me go ahead. Girl, do y'all see how that line was dripping? Do y'all see how it was dripping? All right. Did it clear up? There it go. There it go. That lime make you suck your tongue. If y'all have any questions in reference to monetization, drop your comments down below. I'll try to answer everybody's comments. I know this video is being released on Friday. And y'all know I lost my grandmother-in-law, so tomorrow, Friday, is the day that we do the viewing and we do the party, the cookout in her honor. So I don't know how readily available I'm gonna like be able to look at my comments, and then on Saturday is the memorial, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so just bear with me. Okay, I'm not being funny. I'm just I'm really with my family. Okay, but I love y'all so much, and I can't tell you guys enough, you know, how special you guys have made me feel during this time. I nothing like some jasmine rice. I promise you. Jasmine rice be so good. I know everybody was raving about this. This actually is good with cucumbers, y'all. However, I don't think I'll buy it again. I don't think I'll buy it again at all. It do taste like we grew up eating like tomato salad, cucumber salad, mango salad. And that's when you just put salt, pepper, and vinegar in the mangoes, or salt, pepper, and vinegar in the tomatoes, or salt, pepper, and vinegar in the cucumbers, and you eat it like that. That's what this really tastes like. So it's not bad. I was, you know, for whatever reason, when I thought salt and vinegar, I was thinking like Tom's or Lay's salt and vinegar chips, like that kind of taste. I don't know. But I love y'all so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to help you guys with this video. Look at me, I talk so fast sometimes. I catch my own stuff up with my own words. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, I appreciate you guys. I cannot tell you guys that enough. I am grateful to have you guys in my life. I cannot say that enough. You hear me? I freaking love y'all. Y'all are amazing. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love, peace, and hairbands, 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 whatever you guys call it.